Do you want to earn $70,497.50 per year? If that sounds interesting, if that sounds cool, then watch this video till the very end, because I am going to be recommending you a very powerful site with which you can earn that amount of money sitting at your home, working part-time, 100% free, starting from today. So you can earn $70,497.50 per year with this particular site. And if you are brand new to my channel, then watch the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I regularly make videos on how to make money online. So this is make $9 in 15 minutes, make $1 per second, earn money from WhatsApp, make $100 per day with a trick, make $50 with one photo, secret method to drive insane traffic to your offer, earn money from TikTok, etc. So there are various videos on my channel. All the information is 100% free. Most of the sites that I recommend are 100% free. So you can just watch the videos and let me know what you think. And also, if you like the videos, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. So let's hop over to today's video. You can earn $70,497.50 with this particular site. This can be done part-time. Joining this site is 100% free, and it is completely uh, legit and good reviews. It's cool work from home opportunities. And so the name of this particular site is Proz.com. So Proz.com looks like this. So www.proz.com, it's basically a platform where people and translators, uh, you know, people and translators join hands with each other and do translations. Translators do translations for various companies, regular people, authors, etc. So this is one particular site which is very good. And so just to give you an estimate of how much you can earn from the site, I have some post by this guy called Vladimir Pochinov. He says, let's consider best case scenario wherein you have just as many requests for translations as you can cope with without outsourcing. Assumptions. So average daily output is 2000 words. Rate for translation is GBP 70 for 1000 words. Working days is Monday to Saturday. Vacation time is 4 weeks per year. And idle time, illness, family circumstances is also 4 weeks per year. For simplicity, we exclude proofreading, editing jobs, or any hourly based jobs. So these are all logical assumptions taken by this particular guy. Result: 44 working weeks is equal to 264 working days. Annual output is 264 into 2000, that is 5 lakh 28,000 words, 5.528,000 words. Annual gross income is 528 into 70 is 36,960 GBP. Now you will need to deduct taxes, operating cost, internet connection, membership software, etc. Resultantly, you will get a rough estimate of your maximum potential income. Understandably, any change in above assumptions will result in higher or lower annual income. Example: if you manage to translate 3000 words per day, which is entirely within the realm of possibility, you can achieve gross total income of GBP 55,450 GBP. As a general note, it is quite feasible to ensure a steady inflow of translation jobs, but it does take time and effort. So you can see GBP 55,440 GBP, you can earn that much GBP. If you translate GBP to dollars, you get 70,497.50 dollars, going by the current exchange rate. Another thing which I would like to show you is the rate card of this particular site. So average rates reported by language pair. So this is English to Arabic is like $0.10 per word. This is your standard rate, and 0.08 is the minimum. Average rates per hour are also given. That is, $31.74 per hour, and minimum is $23.98 per hour. This is basically data from different rates charged by translators on this particular platform. So you can see this is pretty good. If you know Baluchi, 38.50 per hour. This is also good. $42.13 per hour. These rates are very good. You can just check out uh, this particular site and this particular page. I'll give link to this page if you're interested in doing translation jobs. Okay, so this is one thing, and now I would also like to show you good advice that this particular guy gave. I was researching through this site and found this guy. So he says, he gives a sound advice. Charge what other people in your language combination charge. For that, you need to do some research into what other people charge. Assume as a beginner that you can do 300 words per hour and that you would be busy 3 hours a day, 3 days a week, 3 weeks a month. Decide how much money you would like to earn per month and then multiply that by 3 to make up for taxes, insurance, etc. Then divide that amount by the number of words that you would like that you would be able to translate in that month. Let your clients decide how much they want to pay. Say something like, I don't have a single rate for all clients. Why don't you start by telling me what you think is reasonable? Good agencies will offer you what is reasonable. Bad agencies will take advantage of you. But either way, you will learn a lot about money and the value of translation. Lastly, find a good average between all of the above. Play with the numbers and adjust your expectations accordingly. Oh, and don't forget that some clients in some countries are willing to pay more or are willing to pay less than some clients in some other countries. And don't forget that once you have asked a certain rate for a certain client, it is nearly impossible to increase it later, except a little bit. So you can see this is a very, very, very sound advice. This person says 300 words per hour, and the estimate that I showed you was based on 3000 words per hour, words per day. Okay, so it was per day. So you'll need to, work 10 hours per day to achieve this kind of goal. So if you are able to translate 300 words per hour and you work for 10 hours and you're able to translate 3000 words per day, then you can achieve this goal. 55,400 GBP, 440 GBP, that translates to your $70,497.50 per year. So this is pretty much attainable. The only prerequisite to this site is that you need to work hard, you need to give in the effort. So if you are a translator who is looking for good earning opportunity online, then you can register on this site and start earning right away. If you are a student who knows 2-3 languages, you can play around with this site. This is perfect opportunity, perfect earning opportunity for you guys out there. So if you liked this video, then please subscribe to my channel Agrawal Bros. I post regular videos on how to make money online. So just browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. If you find them interesting, then you can subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for then. Bye bye.